confessing that an atheist has to be embraced by the contemporary cosmological consensus, for it seems that the cosmologists are providing a scientific proof that the universe had a beginning. And he apologized from all the people that he influenced before as an atheist. He apologized from that. He is the originator of heavens and the earth. Yes. Allah is the originator. Do those who are disbelievers not see that the heavens and the earth were sewn together? In Arabic verse, sewn together means it's like a seed in the ground, in the solid. You know, from a seed, something tears it up, and a huge tree comes up from it, right? Or a banana comes out, or an orange comes out. Sewn together means that. And it's exactly explaining us about Big Bang. Something was all together and it came out, it teared up, and everything comes from that. We made from water everything, so will they not have faith? And this is an explosion. And what comes out from it? Everything, whatever we see. So let us see, in the daily time, what are we seeing around? You know, the explosion of aeroplane, nothing comes. But we are living in a world, looks like this. All full in color, full in art. What is this? So let us see some proofs about it. Where are we living? Now, this is VR, human being. What are we doing? In every second, we are taking this air, right? And in this air, science found out that there is 21% oxygen. 21% oxygen. And it has to be 21%. So, I'm asking you, we are 7 billion in this world. 7 billion. And we are always using this oxygen, right? Changing it into carbon dioxide. So, and there are animals. Many animals. They are all using this oxygen also. But there are some plants, forests. They are changing the carbon dioxide into oxygen. Okay. And there are some bacteria that are changing. They are called cyanobacteria. They are changing the carbon dioxide into oxygen also. But I'm asking you, who is calculating that? How many people are using how much oxygen? All those lions, they are using how much oxygen? All those turtles, all those crocodiles, how much they are using oxygen? And plants has to change the carbon dioxide in the oxygen at the same level. Who is doing this calculation? In every second, because 21% is never changing. It's for us. Allah is doing this for us, arranging the air condition in every time. This is inside of us. I can talk till morning about human being, what we have. We have a great technology. For example, now we are copying human beings' bones to make those tall buildings, bridges, just copying it. If we had a bone which is fulfilled inside, we couldn't even move, and it should crack down so easily because it wouldn't bend. But our bones can bend 5 times better than steel. It's stronger than steel then. Otherwise, it should be easily break. And if it was fulfilled, we should have 65 kilogram bones inside. We couldn't even move. But now we have around 14 or 14 and a half kilogram bones so that we can easily walk. And you know, we have a bone from here and we have a bone underneath. But in between we have shock absorbers so that they won't be injured. But when you just hit the ground so hardly, there is an oil comes out from there in between. But I'm asking you, is there anybody that goes to service that asking them to change the oil here? But if we buy very expensive car, we have to go and change the oil, right? In every 6 months or whatever. But inside of us, there are many systems, but we are not changing the oil. We have our service inside of us. We have them all. This is snow. I know that it never snows in Hong Kong, but maybe you see in the movies or when you travel, you see them. This is snow. They found out something about snow. This is one piece of snow. Can you see the art? Can you see the harmony? It's in golden ratio. And they thought that when they found this out, they thought that, oh, it's one of the rare ones, I think. So the others can't be like this. But they start to collect all snowfalls. This is another one. Whatever it has in here as a shape, it has the same shape in here. And it comes from there. And they checked another one. It's totally different. And it's all formed. And checked another one. You know what they found out? All the snow particles, they are all different from each other. All over the world, wherever it comes down, it's all different from each other. And they found out that it's an art goes into infinity. It's Allah's art. Goes into infinity. Never finishes like this. Now, there are 7 layers in the sky. For example, one of them is called ozone. And that layer is working for me. That layer is doing this. There are dangerous lights are coming from our sun and from other stars. But ozone says that the dangerous ones, I'm not allowing you going down. And he says turn back to them. But the other ones, daily light, radio lights, radio waves, ozone says that you can pass. They need you down there. You can pass.